In the dynamic world of entrepreneurship, building a thriving business is akin to constructing a sturdy edifice. Each decision, each process, acts as a crucial brick, contributing to the overall strength and stability of the structure. Among these essential elements, effective financial management stands out as a cornerstone. It's not merely about tracking income and expenses. It's about gaining clear insights into your business's health, making informed decisions, and ultimately paving the way for sustainable growth. This is where accounting management software like Kashoo can play a pivotal role, acting as a reliable partner in your business building journey. For many small business owners, the realm of accounting can seem daunting, filled with jargon and complex procedures. However, in today's digital age, tools like Kashoo are designed to simplify these processes, making financial management accessible even to those without a formal accounting background. Think of Kashoo as your dedicated financial assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to organize your financial data, generate insightful reports, and free up your time to focus on the core aspects of your business: innovation, customer relationships, and strategic growth. One of the most fundamental ways Kashoo aids in business building is by providing a clear and real-time overview of your financial standing. Gone are the days of sifting through piles of paper or struggling with cumbersome spreadsheets. Kashoo centralizes all your financial transactions in one easily accessible platform. You can effortlessly track your income from sales, monitor your various expenses, and get a snapshot of your cash flow at any given moment. This immediate visibility is crucial for making timely decisions. For instance, if you notice a dip in sales or an unexpected surge in expenses, you can quickly investigate the reasons and take corrective action before they escalate. This proactive approach, facilitated by Kashoo's clear reporting, is a significant advantage in navigating the often unpredictable business landscape. Furthermore, Kashoo streamlines the often tedious process of invoicing and getting paid. Creating professional-looking invoices is a breeze, and you can easily send them to clients electronically. The software also helps you keep track of outstanding payments, sending reminders to ensure you get paid on time. Efficient invoice management directly impacts your cash flow, which is the lifeblood of any business, especially in its early stages. Consistent and timely payments provide the working capital needed to invest in growth opportunities, manage operational costs, and weather any financial fluctuations. Beyond basic bookkeeping, Kashoo offers features that empower you to gain deeper insights into your business performance. It can generate various financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. While these might sound like technical terms, they essentially tell the story of your business's financial health. The profit and loss statement reveals whether your business is making a profit or incurring a loss over a specific period. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a particular point in time, one offering insights into your company's financial stability. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash both into and out of your business, highlighting your ability to meet short-term obligations. Kashoo presents this information in an understandable format, allowing you to identify trends, analyze profitability, and make data-driven decisions about resource allocation and future strategies. 1. www.finoptimal.com. www.finoptimal.com. For businesses aiming for sustainable growth, understanding profitability is paramount. Kashoo can help you track the profitability of specific products or services, allowing you to identify your most lucrative offerings and focus your efforts accordingly. Similarly, by meticulously tracking expenses, you can pinpoint areas where costs can be reduced without compromising quality or efficiency. This focus on profitability and cost management is crucial for building a lean and efficient business model that can withstand competitive pressures and achieve long-term success. Moreover, as your business grows, compliance with tax regulations becomes increasingly important. Kashoo can simplify tax preparation by organizing your financial data in a way that makes it easier to file your returns accurately and on time. While Kashoo is not a substitute for professional tax advice, it can significantly reduce the administrative burden associated with tax season, freeing up your time and minimizing the risk of errors. In the realm of business building, time is often a precious commodity. Kashoo helps you reclaim valuable time by automating many routine accounting tasks. From categorizing transactions to generating reports, the software handles these processes efficiently, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives that directly contribute to your business's growth. This efficiency not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for human error that can occur with manual data entry and calculations. Furthermore, Kashoo often integrates with other business tools, such as payment processors and e-commerce platforms. This seamless integration streamlines workflows, reduces the need for manual data transfer, and provides a more holistic view of your business operations. For instance, sales data from your online store can automatically flow into Kashoo, providing a real-time picture of your revenue streams.